And here's how to create php.ini file. So here, two different ways you can create php.ini file. One is from your desktop computer and another is from your cPanel file manager. So from your desktop, all you have to need, create a new file and select text document. And now press Ctrl A and here type php.ini and hit enter. Click on yes. And here we can see the php.ini file created. Now to edit this file, to write codes, right click on this file, click on open with, and here you have to select a text editor. And once you open the php.ini file in a text editor, now go ahead and add your codes in this php.ini file. And another option to create the file, go to your cPanel and from your cPanel open file manager, and here in file manager navigate to your website folder. I installed my WordPress website in public_html, so I'm going to opening this. And now to create a php.ini file in your website folder, click on this plus icon and here new file name, type php.ini and click on create new file, and that's it. Here you can see the file created. Now to add custom codes, select this file and click on edit, and you will directly jump into the php.ini file editor. Now go ahead and add your codes in this file. After that, click on save changes, and that's it for now.